What fish is that, Dad?
We're on the Ningaloo Road. It's down there. Apparently it's corrugated as fuck, as per usual. But we're going to Ningaloo. Woohoo! I've said it before and I'll say it again. This road's fucked. Josh?
I spoke to those blokes coming out.
Yeah.
They left at 8.
This morning. Road's fucked, eh?
Yeah.
This road's fucked. 18 k's. Billy, I can honestly say, no roads.
Hey, I'm going to start charging you if you film me.
Yeah, no worries. I'll give you 10% of everything I earn.
Fuck off.
Colour in your tie. Stick your moral standards. All a dirty lie. Stick your golden handshakes. Stick your silly rules. And all the other shit that they teach the kids in school.
Well, it's day 1.5 and we still haven't been fishing. Just waiting for old mate to get out of the dunny. Doesn't look too bad, it's a bit windy. You caught him, you get him off. What have you caught? Look at the colours on it, Brent. Keep coming. Thing's beautiful. Look at that. Woo!
It's on!
Hey!
Woo! Oh! Look at the colours on it. Hang on.
Fuck yeah. Hey, we got one!
It's a gold bear, is it?
Robbo!
A robbo.
I don't know what that is.
Big sea perch. Robbo. Looks tasty. Doesn't it?
I have no idea. Robbo!
Yes, that's what we're after.
You got colour yet, mate?
Another big robbo.
Ah, it's a Robbo.
A bigger one. Hey, look at that bastard.
Hey!
Nice.
Hey?
We're eating robbo tonight.
Come on, big boy, pull.
Nice.
Remy's on. The Frenchman with his second fish of the day. These two have tangled each other up. Here it comes.
Another robbo, and it's another good one.
Robbo. Yeah, we got another one. They're catching up to you, Moons. Hey, that's a decent sized Robbo. Fucking cleaning up on the Robbos today. Bit big, you reckon?
There we go. There's another one.
How many are there?
It's a robathon.
Just think, brother, you've only got 75 metres to go. They sound bigger when you let your drag off a little bit.
They do. Robbo.com. Nice.
Nice one.
Oh, nice looking fish.
What do you reckon, Mooney? Better than working?
Absolutely, mate. Every day of the week.
Can't argue with that. reckon, Jossie? You got a first dolly today? Good work, good work. Look at that. What a magnificent place. It's just glorious. The sunsets, the fires, camping. We got guitars everywhere. Mooney's doing dishes, thinking about food. What have you got there, Mooney?
Little bread baby.
Campfire bread. Never had that before. FWFF on it.
Oh, okay. That's gonna be hard. I'm just doing it. Floating quickly.
Is it?
How we going?
Bring it in, 200.
Oh, no, camp bread.
Oh, it's gonna rise crooked. That's better. It's 25 minutes.
Oh yeah. What do you reckon?
On that cutting board.
Melt right through that.
Put it on that fry pan.
Fuck, it's hot.
Yeah, is it hot? Yeah. Camp bread. From the man, the moon, the legend.
Happy bread day to me.
The end bit that's all burnt.
Oh, that looks good. Nothing wrong with that.
Stop it.
Yeah, that's bread.
That's bread. That's probably good going out bread.
Nice.
Camping bread.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot.
Is
It's
it?
hot as fuck. Pretty good.
Yeah. See, it's not all about fishing all the time. Sometimes it's about food.
Bullshit.
Day 2 or day 3? Day 2. We've got our spread out. We've got our lure choices. We're all excited. Mooney's going, the only marlin we're going to see this week's this one here.
I'm ready.
Not too bad today. The wind's just starting to drop out. Very good. I'll catch you when something exciting happens.
I get little here today. Oh, bit off. Little fish, little fish. There you go.
Yeah.
Bit off, was it? Still out there.
Put him in, mate. On him in. Go, Josh, go. That'll do.
Almost looks like a little marlin, eh?
It was. I don't know whether it's that little.
Alright.
I'm going back towards him.
And the war begins. It's almost like there was a couple there, eh? I don't know, unless it's just one snap and everything.
Let me know when you get tired, mate.
Down towards you. Go hard. Boys walking.
Yep.
Ready, ready. Looks out. No, that's not. Looks out. Oh, I've got the bill still.
Got the camera?
Yeah.
Sailfish!
Woo!
Righto, Josh, whack it in gear.
Yeah, alright, everyone on the other side of the boat.
What a magnificent fish. Righto, fella, off you go. There we go. Fuck yeah!
Right, let's get a bit.
More drag, more drag, more drag, more drag. That's enough. Bit more, bit more. Righto, Josh, that'll do. Wait. Come under me that way. Go that way. Come on. Hang on. No, come under me the other way. Here he goes. Josh, go round. Yeah, I'm going. Hey, look at him go!
Ew, he's jumping there. Oh, fucking hot. she goes. But that was seized up, eh?
What's going on here, eh? There's the double. There's the leader.
Right. Back off.
Yep, let me drag off.
Fucking open your arm if you have to.
Hey Mooney,
Yo.
you want to grab him?
Yeah.
Hooks out. Grab him. Try not to get his skin on your skin. Sit down, sit down. Here you go.
Slowly.
Hey! There you go. You got him?
Yep.
Right, I've got gear. I'm out of the way. No, that's not how you do a Mooney, but anyway, it's all good.
Righto.
Right, you cut.
There he goes. Yoo-hoo!
Where's the sailing?
I'm fucked.
Well, we got 2 sailies and thought we had a great day, and we roll in at the boat ramp and some bloke's got 4 sailies. We went all the way down there and they went all straight out the front. Well, that's the way it goes. It's still, have a look at it, it's magnificent. And for dinner, we're eating Mooney's hummus.
Pop another one with the plastic on the fucking barb. Boys. Another one with the plastic on the hook. Come on, fellas. Chase, that's 2, mate.
Do with it, keep it. Oh, it's fucking a feed, righto. But it's not that big. Fuck. A little bit loose.
Yeah, I couldn't move the rod anymore. And I can't because I'm at swivel.
Okay. Yeah, hold that. It's only a little one.
Fuck, let him go.
Come on, fish.
Get crazy.
Back through.
Or release. What do you reckon?
Yeah, let him go.
Hey, you fucking dickhead. Oh, that hit my foot. Do you want to go back in the water or not?
There she goes. You do it. Upside down, mate. Upside down. There Robbo. It's Robbo.
Robbo!
Another Robbo. Vango. Vanguard Emperor. Hey, hey.
Once again, we're sitting around waiting for the wind to fuck off. So we thought we'd play the guitars. And you know, when it comes to having kids, they're not here, but they're never really that far away, are they?
Here's Bluey.
Is there any more?
Plenty.
Oh, Zooper Doopers. Kids, told you to put your Zooper Dooper paper in the bin, not in the guitar.
Remmy's on!
What is it? Oh, that's a tea. Oh, keep on. Keep on. It's a silver trevally.
Remy's Trevor Alley. I know how to do it. You gotta press it.
Hey, Trevor. Oh, fuck yeah, we caught something. Hey. Moto! No. Yes, oh, Trevor Alley. Joshy and his spotty trevally. What are you doing up here? Get off my boat. Could be the shark eating too. You get him off quick enough, might be able to get down for another one.
Yep. Ruby.
And a shark. Is that a shark down there?
Hey!
Fuck yeah, look at them.
Nice.
Fuck me.
Yep. Wait.
Just be careful with
Yep,
that.
I've
The
got him.
sinker's
Yep,
still in
I've
the
got
water.
Pretty cool, eh?
But they've got some chompers too.
Yeah.
One more
you.
and we go.
We stopped you swimming around. You're gonna end up in the fry pan. Then we'll ship you right out tomorrow. Shark. Right there, shark. Keep it going. Fuck off, shark. Got it. Bitten off down the bottom. Look. Oh, bitten in the guts. Fuck. On the.
Snap the other end of the rig off.
That's what that was just then, eh?
Yeah. That's 7/8 there.
Fucking
Oh,
hell.
he gutted him for us.
Yeah, it did.
You normally get the first one, and then the sharks get the rest.
Now, oh, yeah, that's it. Put the rooms on your boobs. There you go.
Awesome.
A bit more drag, more drag. You want that or not? You want it?
Clean enough.
Get this right out the way.
Right, ready? Got him. Straight in, keep winding.
Remy, watch that rod in front of you. Watch that rod in front of you. There you go. It's over it. You're over it, matey. Keep winding, Remy. Hey, that's a marlin.
You sure?
Yep.
I can't see it. Where's the line? It's around
Under it, under it. It's over it somewhere.
That free now?
Think so.
Yeah, Remy!
Right, let him go, let him do his thing.
Yeah,
that taser.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Lift and wind, Remy. Don't wind all the time. Wind, wind. Lift and wind. Yeah. Just don't hit the rod on the roof of the boat.
Come on, buddy! There you go for the fucking hills before.
Keep going. Just wind. Until you can't breathe anymore.
You let us know, buddy.
Just lift and wind. Take it easy. Yeah, lift and wind. That's the one.
You're doing well, mate. You're doing well.
Not that far away.
Huh?
Not that far away.
Get it? Yeah. Hold on, mate. Right, okay. Right, Josh is coming in on the side.
Alright, tag team. Let's.
Get out. You and Josh.
How much fun's that?
Tighten
insane. Tighten mate. Well, you got onto a marlin for a bit.
Oh, it would have snapped.
It hasn't snapped, it's still on the line.
There you go. Oh, another one. Yeah. You want to get on that little one?
See how you put it on? That's wrong.
Yeah, so that's been shown, that's a guess.
Double.
Oh, That's close enough. That's close enough.
Just have one of them books. Dugong! Dugong! Highlights, Mooney, go.
Robos, mate. All the Robos. Watching Marlin do backflips yesterday and 3 swims a day. That's my life, mate. I love it.
We're dropping old mate off at the airport today. He's got to go back to work tomorrow, unfortunately. Get some resupplied, some fuel, have a counter meal. Oh, and more beer. We ran out again. Welcome to Yardy Creek. The bitumen is just around the corner. Look at that gorgeous little fella. Beautiful. Isn't that enough to piss you off? Some fucking dickhead's come and stolen it. What a piece of shit. Oh, yeah. We've started the Fossil Collection Club. That is a megalodon tooth. That's fucking unbelievable. But yeah, that's where the megalodon tooth used to be. Now it's gone. That's just fucking dirtbag material. Yeah, fucking leave it there for everyone to enjoy. Whoever did that, you're a cockhead. What is it, day 6?
Might be.
Might be day 6. We just dropped Mooney off. We had to replenish beer. It looks a lot now like it did when we first got here. Yum! And we've only got 2 days to go. We'll be right. We'll manage.
We stopped just swimming around. You're gonna end up in the fry pan. Then we'll ship you right out.
Totally blown out today. We didn't even get out of the tent basically, and 3 blokes, Mooney went home yesterday obviously, but 3 blokes sitting around camp doing nothing all day. Here you go, another Ningaloo sunset. Dolly.
Mahi.
Mahi, mahi, mahi.
And that belt. What else is there? Belt would be handy.
He did some fucking serious acrobatic like that, didn't he? That was wicked. Come on, Bertha. Told you the black one. Not far off. Yeah, big green still. See the fish in the water, Remy?
Nope.
Okay. Always going to win straight up and down.
Huh?
He's always going to win straight up and down.
Yeah.
Going off this, it probably will go to the... Right, running over here with the camera, boat. Hook's out. Yep. Right, put the boat on him in. Righto, let's swim in. Yeah, yep.
You want to check it out?
Hey, have a look, Joe. Huh? Get it, mate. Fucking hell. Well done, bros. How's your arms?
Fucking busted the rod too.
Is it?
That happens a lot.
Alrighty. Robinson sea bream, dolphin fish, bit of seasoning,
Rocco's.
salad, wraps, Kewpie, special sauce, Robbo's. That's living. That's living. It's the worst day of all. I fucking hate pack up though. Shit. But anyway, thanks for having us, Ningaloo. It's been awesome. Can't wait till next time I'm back here. See you on the road out. Bye.